There's a lesser talked about strength in this country, if you look in the right places. Ones with wide open roads, and not much to speak of in the traditional sense of traffic. Where people work with their hands, passing on traditions and tools in the same way, with infinite pride. We're not much for the latest fashions. In this neck of the woods, conservation means making things that last. Our character isn't determined by what's said, but by what's done. And at the end of the day, it's the coming together that sets us apart. You'll find us in the heart of the country. You'll find us in the small towns, under the big sky, in the dirt and the gravel. You'll find us on the trail and down the line, and in hard-working families and communities that don't make the headlines, but make all the difference. This is where we live. This is who we are. This makes us strong.